In this video, I'll show you how to download Netflix movies on your Samsung Smart TV. Quick note, Netflix does not support downloading movies directly on most Samsung Smart TVs because the Netflix app on TVs usually doesn't have a download feature like mobile devices or tablets. But here's what you can do instead. Step 1. Use the Netflix app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the Netflix app on your iPhone, Android phone, or tablet. Find the movie or TV show you want. Tap the download icon next to the title to save it offline. Step 2. Watch on your Samsung Smart TV. Once downloaded, you can cast or mirror your phone or tablet screen to your Samsung Smart TV. Use Smart View on Samsung phones or AirPlay on iPhones to stream your downloaded content. Alternative, use a streaming device like Amazon Fire Stick or Roku. Some streaming devices may allow downloading or offline viewing through the Netflix app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more helpful Netflix tips.